Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury featured in autumn metallic with a light platinum interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, gate controls down below. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left, you'll find the power seating and power lumbar, and we can off to the side. Just to the left, you'll find the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left side here, we have the forward collision alert with the heated steering wheel, as well as cruise control, and to the right are cluster and audio controls. Here is the cluster. To the right, we have our infotainment screen. Starting off with the radio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have our map and navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here's the backup camera. Below that, we have the climate controls with the heated front seats, as well as the hazards, of course, and parking assist. Some hidden storage down below, 2 USBs and a 12-volt. In the middle here, we have the center console, or infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad down below, and the center console, storage up top as well as down below. Top here, we have the rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps, door handles with keyless entry, and privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, first we have the Cadillac badge, the XT4 and all-wheel drive to the left, and we can double click to pop open the back. You have a rear storage cover for some extra privacy, tons of storage space, lights on either side for added visibility, and we can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra storage. Not to mention the hidden storage down below that houses the spare tire. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing a button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. There's a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle, the rear vents, rear heated seats with 2 USBs. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of the power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2021 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.